Are you looking for an environmentally friendly, affordable way to clean your house? Baking soda is your solution. This video will teach you how to use baking soda to clean around the house, from windowsills to countertops. Watch now for easy tips to help keep your home spick and span without breaking the bank. Baking soda is a rock-like ingredient that you can find in most grocery stores. It's made up of sodium carbonate, a great, inexpensive way to keep your house clean. It's a non-toxic, natural product for cleaning almost anything. This cleaning agent is great for other cleaning jobs, like scrubbing the shower, removing stains, and even deodorizing your refrigerator. Baking soda is also an ingredient in most household cleaners and deodorizers, so you may already have it around your home. So here is how you can use baking soda to clean around the house. 1. Remove and disinfect. Baking soda is an excellent cleaning agent for removing tough stains and odors on fabric. You can use it in place of bleach to clean your carpets, tablecloths, and other materials. It's also an inexpensive and effective way to disinfect your trash cans and other home areas prone to bacteria. This soda is handy if you have pets because not only does it remove stains, but it also kills germs. It's entirely safe for your kids and pets. Baking soda is also great for removing stains in the oven. If you've spilled something in your oven and left it there, you know how awful it smells. To remove that smell, sprinkle baking soda on the stain and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then scrub with a non-scratch scrubber. You can use the same method with a sponge or brush if you don't have an oven mitt. 2. Clean your bathroom. Baking soda is an excellent alternative to harsh detergents in the bathroom. It can remove stains from your tub and toilet and is also an effective deodorizer. Baking soda is a good way to clean the grout between the tiles on your floor. You can also use it to clean your shower, sink, and bathtub. Just sprinkle some baking soda on the surface, rub with a sponge or cloth and rinse with water. The baking soda will absorb the stain, and then you can clean it with a damp cloth. If you have a lot of stains, you can also use them to clean your toilet bowl. 3. Clean your kitchen. Baking soda is also an excellent alternative for many kinds of cleaning products in your kitchen. It is more effective and cheaper than many other cleaning products. It can remove stains from your stove, oven, countertops, and tabletops. You can also use it to clean your sink and the inside of cabinet doors. Sprinkle baking soda on the surface and rub it with a cloth or sponge. You can also use it to clean your sink and kitchen cupboards by sprinkling them on the spills and rubbing them with a damp cloth. 4. Clean your car and other vehicles. When cleaning your car, you can use baking soda to remove dirt and stains. You can use it to clean your car's interior, such as the dashboard, center console, and other parts. Spray baking soda on the surface and allow it to sit for a few minutes before wiping it with a damp cloth. Also, you can sprinkle the baking soda on a damp cloth and scrub the dirty surface. Sprinkle it on a sponge and use it to clean the grimy interior of your vehicle's dashboard. 5. Remove grease and grime. If you have a greasy stovetop or appliance, baking soda is the perfect ingredient to use in a homemade cleaning solution. It acts as an abrasive that removes grease without scratching your surfaces. Baking soda may serve as a cleaner for countertops and other hard surfaces. You can clean your stainless steel cooktop with baking soda. You'll need to spray the baking soda onto the dirty surface, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then get a damp cloth and scrub away. You can also use baking soda to clean your dirty microwave. Spray the baking soda onto the contaminated surface and rub it with a soft sponge. 6. Freshen your bathroom sink. To keep the bathroom sink clean, spray the sink with a bit of water and sprinkle some baking soda on top. The baking soda is a mild abrasive to eliminate stains and soap scum. You can also use baking soda to clean your bathroom mirrors. Sprinkle some on the mirror, let it sit for about 1 hour, and then wipe it away with a soft cloth. 7. Clean your carpet and curtains. The carpet in your room can get pretty dirty and appear dull. To give your carpet a fresh look, sprinkle some baking soda on the carpet and rub it in with a soft cloth. You can also use baking soda to brighten up your curtains and eliminate dust. Sprinkle a little baking soda and rub it with your fingers. Then, wipe your curtains with a soft cloth. 8. Clean your store-bought fruits. After cleaning your store-bought fruits, sprinkle a spoonful of baking soda in the container and let them sit for at least 15 minutes. After that, rinse the fruit with water and pat it dry. Baking soda is a natural degreaser that will remove all the dirt and dust. It will leave your fruit looking fresh and clean. 9. Deodorize your furniture. Baking soda is a fantastic all-purpose cleaner, but it can also work wonders when deodorizing your furniture. Just sprinkle a little baking soda on the surface and rub it with a soft cloth. It will eliminate odors and clean the fabric. It also cleans grime from wood surfaces without damaging them, and it will leave them smelling fresh. If you are trying to get rid of pet odor, apply a little baking soda to the affected area and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then wash it with warm water and soap. It will eliminate the smell in your home for good. 10. Wipe your home appliances clean. Home appliances such as toasters, microwaves, and coffee makers should be cleaned regularly. Dirt can accumulate on their surfaces and in the crevices of your home appliances. So when you are cleaning your house, make sure that you clean these appliances too. Cleaning these appliances will make your house smell better and keep it free from germs and bacteria. Besides, it will help you save money. Cleaning your home appliances will also make your house look neat. As you can see, baking soda is a versatile, affordable, and natural cleaning solution used to clean around the house. It is safe on most surfaces and can easily mix with water or other cleaning products. You can use it to clean appliances, floors, bathrooms, and more. By using baking soda, you can achieve clean and shiny surfaces without spending much money on commercial cleaners. To make things simple, follow these simple steps to clean your home using baking soda. Gather some baking soda, a spray bottle, and a cloth to get started. 1. Sprinkle baking soda on the surface you want to clean. 2. Spray with water and scrub with a cloth. 3. Wipe away the excess paste. 4. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until no more dirt comes off. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to clean a toilet using baking soda and vinegar. Thanks for watching and bye for now.